Hey there, I'm Dr. Ben. I just wanted to share with you a day trade that I took today. I'm not going to go through all the risks of trading. If you're investing in the stock market, you know you can lose money, you can gain money, and that there's risks. So off to the chart here. This was Facebook on Friday. You can see that price consolidated from about 10 o'clock in the morning all the way up to the close and really compressed, which is typical before the price and the stock will expand. So what you see here is at the open, it attempted to break out of this area, then it came back, was pushed back in, but never made it below those lows, and then the stock headed higher. You got one more retest of this area that was resistance that then became support, and the stock came back up to this area, which is the 1 hour high. As the stock kind of hugged the moving average and again began to take off, it showed that absorption was complete and the stock took off. If you look at the daily chart, you can see that it is in an uptrend, and you've got a stock that came back down to the moving average and then it's kind of pushed back up. There was some resistance there at 192 and then again at 194 and 195. The trade that I took was that I bought here at 189.77 just as price rejected these lows and formed a little bit of a higher low, and then as it expanded up and got close to that 192 area and moved very, very quickly, I went ahead and closed the trade. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, join our Trade Rounds group on Facebook. You can go to www.facebook.com/stocktradingeducation, and you can visit us on our website at www.traderounds.com. Thanks for watching.